नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ज्ञानवी है। Let's learn English together. Today, let's learn about my daily routine. Good morning. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. I get dressed for school. I get dressed for school. I eat breakfast at the table. I eat breakfast at the table. I pack my bag before leaving. I pack my bag before leaving. I say goodbye to my family. I say goodbye to my family. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus patiently. I wait for the bus patiently. I arrive at school on time. I arrive at school on time. I greet my friends at school. I greet my friends at school. I listen carefully in class. I listen carefully in class. I eat lunch with my friends. I eat lunch with my friends. I study in the library. I study in the library. I walk back home after school. I walk back home after school. I do my homework in my room. I do my homework in my room. I help my family with dinner. I help my family with dinner. I relax and watch TV at night. I relax and watch TV at night. I go to sleep early every night. I go to sleep early every night.
आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. कीप लर्निंग एंड कीप ग्रोइंग विद इजाफा इन ज्ञान.